Exercise 29A. Question number 1. Use the figure given alongside below to fill in the blanks. As you can see, we are having diagram here. Now R is the blank of circle. So R is the center of circle. You have to write R is the center of circle. Diameter of a circle. As I explained you in the introduction part of circles, diameter is the longest chord which passes through center. So as you can see, R is our center here and the diameter is PQ because chord PQ is passes through R. So diameter of circle is PQ. Tangent to a circle. As I explained to you, tangent touches the circle only at one point outside. So as you can see, AB we are having here and touches the circle at this point. So your answer is AB. EF is a blank of the circle. Where is EF? This EF is what? Secant. This EF is secant. Then blank is the chord of circle from point C to D. CD is a chord of circle. Then diameter equals to what? As you know very well, 2 into radius. Then blank is the radius of circle. You can write anyone. R is your center, then S, Q, P, these all are on circumference of circle. So RS you can write, PR you can write, QR you can write, anyone you can write. If the length of RS is 5 centimeter, if the length of RS is 5, the length of PQ, the length of PQ will be 10. Why? Because RS is radius and PQ is diameter, and as you know, diameter equals to 2 into radius. So 2 into 5, answer is 10 centimeter. Then if the length of RS, okay, that is okay now. If PQ is 8 centimeter long, the length of RS, PQ is 8, PQ is 8. In PQ, R is your center, so this P and Q total 8. So this will be 4 and this will be 4 radius, and PR, RS, then RQ, these all are same. That means RS will be 4. Then AB is a blank of circle. AB is a blank of circle. So as you can see, AB touches the circle at outer point. So AB is a tangent of circle. So question number 1 is solved. Then question number 2. Draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. Mark its center O. Take a point A on the circumference of the circle. Join AO and extend it till it meets the point B. Okay. On the circumference of the circle. Measures the length of AB. Assign a special name to AB. Okay. Okay, so question number 2. Draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. So just take your scale, measure radius 4.2. So as you can see, this is 4.2 near about. Okay, so now draw a circle. So this is your circle having radius 4.2. Now O is your center. O is your center. So this one is O. Now take a point A on the circumference of circle. Join A. For example, this is point A. So now join AO. Then extend it till it meets point B on the circumference. Okay, let your point B is here. And now we will extend this. So simply this is your point B. Okay. So the measure length of AB. As you can see, this is your A, this is your B. So now we will measure length of AB. So this is like 8.4. So you have to write length of AB equals to 8.4. Clear? Then Assign a special name to AB. As you can see, AB's AB passes through center O, so AB is diameter. You have to write. Okay. Question number 2 is over. Question number 3 you can solve. Question number 4. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So first we will measure radius 6 centimeter. So this is your 6 centimeter. Okay. Now by using this we will draw a circle. So this is your circle having radius 6 centimeter. Now in the circle draw a chord AB equals to 6 centimeter. Now we have to draw a chord AB 6 centimeter. So as you can see 6 centimeter we are getting here. Okay. So this is exactly 6 centimeter. So from this point to this point we will draw a chord. So this is your A and this is your B and this is your center O. Now O is the center of circle. Join OA and OB. So simply we will join So now we will join OA as well OB. Okay, so this is little bit left here, consider it here. Then now we have to give a special name to triangle AOB. As you can see we are having here triangle AOB and special name that we have to give this triangle. As you can see this side is 6 centimeter. Okay, and as well as this side is also 6 centimeter. Okay, so two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So this triangle is isosceles triangle. So you have to write triangle AOB is isosceles triangle. Then write the measures of angle AOB. So you have to measure this AOB. So simply place the protractor here and this is your baseline and 0 will start from here. So your AOB is 60 degree here. Clear? So measure of angle AOB 60 degree. So like this you have to solve question number 4. Then question number 5 you can solve major sector. Already I have explained you in the video, so you can solve. Question number 6. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. In the circle draw a chord AB 5 centimeter. Now shade the minor segment of circle. So this one is easy. Draw a circle of radius 3.6. Okay, so 3.6, first we will take radius 3.6. So this is your compass and 3.6 radius. This is your 3.6 radius. Okay, then we will draw a circle. So this is your circle having radius 3.6. Now in the circle draw a chord AB is 5 centimeter. So where we are getting AB? As you can see, we are getting AB here. Okay, so this is your chord AB. This is your chord A and B. Now shade the minor segment. As you know, this is your chord, this is your center O. This area, this portion is your minor segment. Just shade this one. Okay, only shade this area. This is your minor segment. You are supposed to shade this by using color. Okay, or you can shade by pencil. This is minor and this is major. So this is your question number 6. Then question number 7 is very easy. Draw a line AB 4 centimeter. Let's suppose this is your line A and this is your line, sorry, this is point B, line AB. Now take the radius 4 centimeter and with center B draw a circle. So you can solve this one. Then question number 8, draw a line AB 8.4. Now draw a circle with AB as diameter. Mark point C on the circumference, measure angle ACB. Same, this one you can try. If you are having any doubt, do message.